We are going to assume that we are launching a brand new company. We are going to assume that the company needs financing of about 100 crores. And we are going to assume that we have only 1% capital, that is 1 crore with us. Now, we want people to invest money in our company. So assume you don't have more than 1 crore and you need about 100 crores for your company. Now, those of you who are a little scared of these numbers, let's say you have 10 lakhs and you want 10 crores. But the thing is, it should be in a multiple of 100. What you have and what you need should be in a multiple of 100. Now, we first need to get these 4 initials right. And then I will ask you one question after the other. And my questions are created with this understanding that out there are people who are willing to invest 1,000 crores. You are talking only about 100 crores. But they are going to qualify you based on the answers to these 10 questions. Which means money is the least of your issues. It's the clarity, it's your planning, it's your vision, it's your team, it's your execution, it is your confidence. These things are more crucial. We live in funny times right now where any quantity of money that you want is actually available. So money anywhere in the world can come to you. The only thing is people who have money and who are smart. So let's call it smart money. There is one money which is called dumb money, where people by accidentally got a lot of money and they don't know what to do with that. They invest based on emotions. They like you, hence they give you money. But fund managers all over the world, the researchers all over the world, put their efforts to understand what is smart money doing today. Where is smart money going? They say water finds its way. You can't block it. Similarly, smart money in times to come will find its way. You can't block it.